Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a hill guided by light secret places in Crimson Desert. To get a hill guided by light secret places, first open your map and check if this question mark shows in your map. Next, head to this big rock cliff just outside the town. Climb this rock cliff until you get to the top. My best advice here is to upgrade this node in your skill point to increase your stamina. Once you get to the top, you'll see a small blue pillar. This is the hill guided by light secret places. You'll be rewarded with an artifact once you complete this. And that is how to get a hill guided by light secret places. Thank you so much for watching.